Hello, everyone. Welcome to AI Talk English. I'm Emma, and honestly, I'm so happy to see you here today.
And I'm Alex. And you know what? We were just talking about our weekend plans before this recording.
Yes, and guys, seriously, thank you for clicking on this video. You could be anywhere right now, but you chose to spend time with us. That means the world.
Absolutely. And we promise, by the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your weekend plans in perfect English.
But before we start, quick question. Comment below and tell us, what are you doing this weekend?
Yeah. Are you staying home and relaxing? Going out with friends? Drop your weekend plans in the comments. We want to know.
Okay, so Alex, you have to tell everyone what happened to you last Friday.
Oh no. Do I have to? It's so embarrassing.
Yes, everyone needs to hear this.
Okay, fine. So last Friday afternoon, my American colleague asked me, "Hey Alex, any plans for the weekend?"
Simple question, right?
Super simple, but I completely froze. My mind went blank.
You froze on what are your weekend plans?
Yes. I mean, I had plans. I was going to the movies, meeting friends, going to the gym, but I couldn't express it in English.
So what did you actually say?
I said, I will do something. Like a complete idiot.
I will do something. That's it?
That's it. He waited for me to continue, and I just stood there awkwardly. Then I pretended my phone rang and walked away.
Oh, Alex, you literally ran away from a simple conversation.
I know. And the worst part is, talking about weekend plans is so common. Everyone asks this question.
Exactly. At work, with friends, meeting new people, it comes up all the time.
So today, we're learning how to talk about weekend plans in simple, natural English.
Yes, whether you're staying home, going out, traveling, or doing nothing at all.
And guys, if you've ever struggled to answer, "What are you doing this weekend?" hit that like button right now.
And please, please subscribe to AI Talk English. We make English easy and fun. Hit that red button.
And comment your weekend plans in English. Practice with us. We'll correct you if needed.
And at the end, we're revealing the one phrase that works for any weekend, even if you have zero plans.
Even if I'm just sleeping all weekend?
Even if you're just sleeping, we'll make it sound interesting.
All right, let's learn how to talk about weekends properly. No more, "I will do something."
No more running away. Let's begin. All right, Alex, let's start with the basics. How do you ask about weekend plans?
What you do weekend?
Close. The correct way is, what are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend? Okay.
Or you can say, do you have any plans for the weekend? Or any plans this weekend?
So 3 ways to ask. Got it.
Now, how do you answer this question? Let's learn the simple patterns.
Yes, because I have no idea.
Pattern 1. I'm going to plus activity. I'm going to watch a movie.
I'm going to watch a movie. Simple.
Pattern 2. I'm planning to plus activity. I'm planning to visit my friend.
I'm planning to go to the gym. Easy.
Pattern 3. I might plus activity. This is for when you're not sure.
I might go shopping. Like this?
Perfect. I might means maybe. You're not 100% sure.
These patterns are so useful.
And guys, comment below. Use one of these patterns to tell us your weekend plan. Okay, what if you're staying home this weekend? How do you say that?
I'm staying home? Is that correct?
Yes, I'm staying home this weekend is perfect.
But won't people think I'm boring if I just stay home?
No, but you can make it sound better. Add what you'll do at home.
Like what?
I'm staying home to catch up on sleep. I'm staying home to binge watch my favorite show.
I'm staying home to relax and recharge. That sounds good.
Exactly. Now it sounds intentional, not lazy.
Even though I am being lazy.
We don't need to tell them that. What other home activities can you mention?
I'm staying home to cook a big meal. I'm staying home to clean my apartment.
Yes. Or I'm staying home to work on my hobby. I'm staying home to catch up on reading.
So staying home becomes productive and purposeful.
Exactly. And guys, comment. What do you do when you stay home on weekends? Now, what if you're going out this weekend? How do you talk about that?
I'm going out?
You need to say where or what you're doing. I'm going to the movies. I'm going to a restaurant.
I'm going to the mall. I'm going to the park.
Perfect. What about going out with friends?
I'm meeting my friends?
Yes, I'm meeting my friends for coffee. I'm hanging out with my friends.
I'm hanging out with my friends. That sounds so natural.
You can also say, I'm catching up with friends, or I'm getting together with friends.
I'm catching up with an old friend this weekend. Nice.
What about parties or events?
I'm going to a party? I'm attending an event?
Yes, I'm going to a birthday party. I'm attending a concert. I'm going to a wedding.
So just say, I'm going to, plus the event. Nice.
Exactly. Super simple. Okay, what if you're traveling this weekend? That's exciting.
How do I say that?
I'm going to plus the place. I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the mountains.
I'm going to Mumbai this weekend.
Perfect. Or you can say, I'm visiting plus place. I'm visiting my family in Delhi.
I'm visiting my hometown. Easy.
What about road trips?
I'm taking a road trip.
Yes, I'm taking a road trip with my friends. I'm driving to the coast.
I'm taking a weekend trip to Goa. That sounds fun.
It does. And guys, where are you traveling this weekend? Comment your destination.
Yeah. Tell us where you're going.
Okay, here's a common situation. What if you have no plans?
That's me most weekends. What do I say?
Be honest. I don't have any plans yet. Or I haven't decided yet.
I don't have any plans yet. That's simple.
Or you can say, I'm keeping it flexible. Or I'm playing it by ear.
Playing it by ear? What does that mean?
It means you're deciding as you go. No fixed plans.
Oh, I'm playing it by ear this weekend. Sounds cool.
Very natural. What if you're just resting?
I'm doing nothing?
You can say that, but better to say, I'm taking it easy, or I'm just relaxing.
I'm taking it easy this weekend. That sounds better than nothing.
Much better. All right, Alex, ready for the secret phrase that works for any weekend?
Yes. Tell me.
The phrase is, I'm planning to take it easy and see where the weekend takes me.
Wait. That's genius. It sounds like I have plans, but I'm also flexible.
Exactly. It works whether you have plans or no plans.
So if I have 0 plans, I can still say this and sound interesting?
Yes, and you can customize it. I'm planning to relax and see what opportunities come up.
I'm planning to take it easy and maybe catch up with friends.
Perfect. See how versatile that is?
This is the phrase I needed last Friday.
No more, I will do something. Okay, Alex, let's practice a full conversation. I'll ask you about your weekend.
Okay. I'm ready.
Hey, Alex, any plans for the weekend?
Yeah. I'm planning to go to the gym on Saturday morning, and then I'm meeting some friends for lunch.
Nice. What about Sunday?
Sunday, I'm keeping flexible. I might catch up on some reading or just relax at home. How about you? What are you doing?
I'm visiting my family this weekend. We're having a big dinner on Saturday.
That sounds lovely. Enjoy.
Perfect conversation. You sounded so natural.
I did it. No freezing, no awkwardness.
You're ready for real conversations now. All right, everyone. Alex can now talk about his weekend plans. How do you feel?
I feel great. I'm ready for Monday at work.
No more running away from simple questions.
Never again. Let's recap.
We learned how to ask about weekend plans. What are you doing this weekend?
How to answer. I'm going to, I'm planning to, I might.
Staying home plans. I'm staying home to relax.
Going out. I'm meeting friends. I'm going to the movies.
Traveling. I'm visiting. I'm taking a trip.
No plans. I don't have plans yet. I'm playing it by ear.
And the secret phrase. I'm planning to take it easy and see where the weekend takes me.
So guys, if this helped, please like this video.
And subscribe to AI Talk English. We need your support.
And comment your weekend plans in English. Practice with us.
We read every single comment.
Thank you so much for watching.
Now go have an amazing weekend.
Bye everyone. Enjoy your weekend.